स्पीकर सर, एक जेटी आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युशन बांधपाचें परमिशन GCDMA जाता. थंय पंचायत GCDMA बरयता 12/2/2024 की तुम्ही जर इन्स्पेक्शन करता जाल्यार आमकां सांगा. आणि थंय इन्स्पेक्शन जाता 27/3/24 आणि पंचायतीक जेन्ना कळयता की आमकां सांगा तेन्ना कळयना आणि परमिशन दितरी पंचायतीक लेटर बरयता की हे आमी परमिशन दिला. ह्यो कसलो कायदो स्पीकर सर? म्हणजे जेन्ना पंचायत सांगता की आमकां कळे इन्स्पेक्शन करता, आमी यू वॉन्ट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ युअर इन्स्पेक्शन, you are not even bothered to reply to that letter, and once you give permission to them, you are putting a copy mark to them that the permission is granted. म्हाका प्रश्न पयली ऑनरेबल एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टराक विचारपाक जाय की GCDMA जो आसा हो इन्स्पेक्शन करता तेन्ना खंयचे रस्त्यान त्या जाग्यार गेल्लो?
येस स्पीकर सर, ताणें जें सांगलें की GCDMA जे परमिशन दिला पळय न्ही, हे तो रस्त्यान खंयच्या गेल्लो काय विचारता. आत्तां म्हाका खबर ना थंय वचपाक खंयचो रोड आहा तो एक्झॅक्टली, बट तांच्यांनी वचून इन्स्पेक्शन केलां आनी अकॉर्डिंग टू डॅट दीस इज नॉट अ म्हणजे दीस इज अ परमिशन इन कन्सल्ट वीथ फॉर GCDMAक जितकें लागता पळय न्ही तोच विशय आसा. हाजी फुडली परमिशन जी आसा पळय न्ही ती SSI जी आहा पळय न्ही स्टेट इम्पॅक्ट असेसमेंट ऑथॉरिटी ती तेच्या फुडली परमिशन दितली. म्हणजे त्याचा नक्की खंयच्या रोडान थंय गेल्या हें म्हाका खबर ना, हांव चॅक करपा लायता.
स्पीकर सर, हांव कित्याक विचारलें तें सांगता तुका. नॉर्मली तुमचें उत्तर आसपाचें स्पीकर सर की GCDMA फक्त CRZDला लागता, पूण तेंचें जें परमिशन जें तेणी दिलां आनी तितू तेणी दिला स्टोरेजाकूय दिला स्पीकर सर, डेटेड जे आसा 25/4/2024 फॉर लोडिंग अनलोडिंग and platforms and jetty including storage स्पीकर सर. जरी ते स्टोरेजाक जर परमिशन दिवंक शकता जाल्यार हांवें तुका प्रश्न विचारलेलो की स्पीकर सर की रस्तो खंयचो वापरलो ते पळोवपाक तो जागो विच इज द रोड, ते आन्सर करूंक शकना. बरें, आन्सर करनाका. दुसरें स्पीकर सर जे म्हजें आशिल्लें स्पीकर सर, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर येयला, एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर. स्पीकर सर, दुसरो प्रश्न म्हजो आतां आसा की CMन सांगलें की SCIAन आतां ताका उत्तर दिला की आमकां रस्तो दाखय आनी आमी मागीर दितले. म्हाका फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस हांव एक लक्ष हाडून दिता की एनवायरमेंट इम्पॅक्ट असेसमेंट रिपोर्ट जो आसा हितू भितर स्पीकर सर हे नॅबिट म्हणटा तेका सस्पेंड करपाक जाय. दे शूड बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द लिस्ट ऑफ एम्पॅनल्ड. इफ यू गो टू द रिपोर्ट विल फायंड सो मेनी एनॉमलीज. तेणी दिला कुंभारजुआ एरिया, म्हणजे आमी रावता सावथाक, हे जे परमिशन दिता सावथाक म्हाज्या मतदारसंघात आसोळ्या विलेजीन, आणि तेणी जो रिपोर्ट दिला स्ट्रॅटेजिकल रिपोर्ट दिला की बाकीचे फ्लोरा फॉनाचे दिला कुंभारजुआचे, सावथाचे काय घेवना स्पीकर सर. हे नॅबिट म्हणल्यार फ्रॉड पोलिसां हे करता ताका. पयलीं तुमी हाका बंद करतले हे आश्वासन तुमी दिवपाक जाय म्हाका स्पीकर सर. हे नॅबिट जे जाल्ले आसा ते नॅबिटान जे आपण केला ते कशें तुमी हे करतले म्हाका हे उत्तर दिवपाक जाय स्पीकर सर.
Regarding the permission given by GCDMA, it is per se as per the Act governing the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority. So that permission is in place. From there, it goes to the SCIA, as the honourable member has said. The SCIA has drawn up a list of some 10-15 questions. Till date, the party has not answered these questions. SCIA has taken a decision that they will give them a period, another 15 days from the next meeting of theirs, to reply to those queries. Should they not reply, SCIA will reject the application. As far as the honourable member is concerned, let me assure him that the government is sensitive to the demands of the people. The Panchayat has passed a resolution to say that they do not want this project. So the SCIA will look into the grievances of the villagers And should they find them to be genuine, for example, off the cuff, in the complaint of the Panchayat, they talk about sand dunes. Now, according to me, this is a letter that has been drafted by somebody, and the Panchayat has just sent it because along our Goa rivers, there are no sand dunes. However, we will genuinely look into it, keeping in mind the sentiments of the locals, keeping in mind the sentiments of the Honorable Member, and we will take a decision. Give the SCIA some time. I'm again repeating, the government under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant is sensitive to the needs and demands of the locals. So have no fears, we will look into it and take an appropriate decision once we are convinced of all these facts. I agree with you, one of the queries raised by SCIA is that there is no road to the property. We will look into that and confirm. If there are any anomalies found in the data of the EIA, SEAC, and the SEIAA will take necessary legal action. Rest assured, we will genuinely look into it. Once again, I'm saying, the Honorable Chief Minister is sensitive to the feelings of the locals. So have no fears, give us some time, we will resolve the issue as best as we can.
स्पीकर सर, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान उतर दिला हांव तेजेर कांय व्हडलें उलयना. एक म्हयनो पयलो आमचो ऑनरेबल ऑपोजिशनाचो विजय सरदेसाय म्हज्या मतदारसंघात येवन ताका लोक मेळपाक गेले आनी सांगपाक गेले की हांव जेन्ना एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर आसलो तेन्ना ही सगळी परमिशन दिली, पूण हांगा जेन्ना रिप्लाय जेन्ना क्वेश्चन हांवें मांडलो तेन्ना रिप्लायन सगळें स्पश्ट आहा. हे रिप्लाय तुमी पोर्टलार घालता आनी सगळी तुका दिसता स्पीकर सर. म्हाका एक एश्युरन्स जाय ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरा कडेन की हे जे आदित्य एनवायरमेंटल सर्विसीस प्रायवेट लिमिटेड ही जो EIA रिपोर्ट जो केल्लो आसा हितून इतले गोष्टी हांवें सांगल्या स्पीकर सर की आमी सावथ गोवा पडटा आनी तेज्या रिपोर्टाचेर सगळे नॉर्थ गोवाचे दिल्ले आहा स्पीकर सर. आनी आमच्यो हिस्टॉरिकल सायट हो हेरिटेज सायट्स हो ज्यो सायट्स दाखोवपाक जाय रिपोर्टान एक देखून दाखोवना स्पीकर सर. आमचे भितर स्पीकर सर सेलावली डॅमाच्या सायडीन 7व्या सेंचुरीचे कदंबाचे बांदलेले देवूळ आसा, आमचे तांबडे सुर्ला आसा, हांगा ते दाखयना. पूण दाखयता कितें ओल्ड गोवा चर्चीज आनी तेजे सरावंडिंगाचे एरियाचे सगळे दाखयता. म्हणजे म्हजें इतलेंच एलिगेशन आहा की हे आदित्य एनवायरमेंट सर्विसीस प्रायवेट लिमिटेड इज अ फ्रॉड कंपनी स्पीकर सर, who does not do anything but does copy and paste and submits EIA reports. I want an assurance from the Honorable Minister that EIA submitted by this fraud company will be not entertained by the GCDMA or anybody else, because this is assurance I want from the Honorable Minister, it is there in your reply, Speaker sir. Entire report of 106 pages is in the reply as B Colley. So I don't have to give it on the table of the House, it can be seen by them. So I am only highlighting what has been wrongly put up, and I want the assurance from the Minister that this will be there, as he has given me assurance today, that he will examine by SCIA within 15 days. If the company cannot give documents, the GCDMA, they will write and file the reply as assurance. I am thankful to Honorable Minister for that. But I also want that such environment impact assessment reports, which are given by faulty consultants, should not be entertained by GCDMA or any of this. And this assurance I want from them, from Honorable Minister.
Because as far as the GCZMA permission is concerned, I have to admit it was given during my tenure. But as I said, as far as GCZMA or the Coastal Authority, it is well within their rights, because the Act provides that ports, jetties, and I'm sure the Honourable Member will agree with me, is within the rights of the Coastal Authority. However, having said that, when it goes to this higher committee, SEAC, it is their duty to look into issues raised by the Honourable Minister. That is why I said they've written 15 queries. As soon as those 15 queries reply comes, we will look into it further. Should no reply come within 15 days, they were given 30 days, but they have not responded. Within 15 days, we will definitely take action.
Just because sir, you didn't reply to my that Aditya Environmental Services.
Boss, off the cuff, to keep you happy, I may say yes, but I'm not sure whether we would be able to do that.
No, Speaker sir, Honorable Minister is the Environment Minister. I understand that issues related to CRZ, other central notified body, GCDMA is appointed by the central government. I think we have a double engine Sarkar. Double engine means we are a BJP government here and we have a BJP government in the center. And my request to Honorable Minister is this is a NABID accredited agency. And if they are giving false information in a EIA report, I think this government has to point out to the central government that this agency is a fraud agency. And I'm asking an assurance from him that whether he will report this to the NABID that this person should be withdrawn from the empanel list of consultants. This is my assurance I'm seeking from Honorable Minister.
I assure you that we will definitely write to NABID and inform them. But what action they will take thereafter is left to them. That is why I am not willing to give you an assurance. But we will 100% write to them.
No, I agree, Speaker sir. I don't have any doubt on the Honorable Minister at all. My thing is, this type of EIA impact assessment reports created by this Aditya Environmental Services is being accepted by GCDMA. At least those directives you can give on the level that this person, because there's a fraud, Speaker sir. I don't want to point out to you because you're wasting the time of the House. But
Okay.
I will write to you what are the frauds to your letter, on my letterhead, and showing what things are there which are not part, should not have been part of the EIA. This I can do for you.
I can do one thing. I can give you a copy of the letter written by SCAC to the company where all these points have been raised.
I agree, sir.
Let the reply come and then let us sit down. We'll sit down together and we will discuss.
Yeah, I agree. I agree, Honorable Minister, what you are saying, I agree. I have got a copy already because it is part of your A-Quali-B where you have written by SEIA that to call in the company within 15 days. I have that copy. You don't have to give it to me. My thing is to you is till such time it is decided this Aditya Environmental Services Private Limited, their applications, their EIA reports should not be considered. This is my request to you, at least in Goa. Forget NABID, let him go outside Goa and follow up the case of blacklisting this person who has got nothing. I will write to you, Speaker sir. I am and then secondly, Speaker sir.
On behalf of the Chief Minister and myself, I assure you we will take up the issue with Delhi.
No, I agree. Honorable CM is also on record. I thank you for that. But my thing is still such issues resolved. They should not be considered. This is one. Secondly, Speaker sir, you rightly pointed out that GCDMA works under the guidelines of the central government. I have a report in my hand given by you only in your answer. Speaker sir, storage is also given by permission by them. How they can give permission of storage when there is no road only? How they can give for loading, unloading platforms? Anyhow, you have assured me that you will look into it, Speaker sir. I am happy with your assurance and I hope that the logical conclusion is withdrawal of all NOCs and without taking the panchayat and the local bodies into consideration, no such more permission should be given. This is my request to you, which I want assurance. Because involving the locals, not because of anything, the people want activities there. Speaker sir, the way they have been projected that they don't want is not right. There are Gram Sabha locations that they want the activities in that area, but not the way they want to bring it into that area, Speaker sir. So I request, we are not a negative people. We have taken garbage from 4 constituencies, 4 talukas, Speaker sir. From Marga also people accepting. We are a constituency with like-minded people for development of Goa. We are with you, Speaker sir. But when this comes to this type of things, when the panchayat them writes to them to make them part of the meeting, and you write to them after giving permission, I think this is something wrong which the GCDMA is doing, and this has to be stopped. So my request to you, Speaker sir, is that in future, whatever action you take, when the panchayat writes to you, local body writes to you, take them for inspection. We are not against development in our constituency. We are for development, but not the way the development has been brought by this EIA report, Speaker sir. This is the assurance you have given me. I hope you stayed by the assurance. That's all I am asking, Speaker sir.
Speaker sir.
Yes.
Operation.
Vijay sir, sir,
नाही बटन मारला मला. बटन इथं दाबू ना.
आता ज्या दिसा आमचो
माहिती हर किती.
आमचो आमचो MLA बाब निलेश काब्रालान म्हणलें की 7 जुलय आपूण हांव गेल्लो म्हणलें हांव खरोच गेल्लो स्पीकर साहेब. आतां आयकलें आमी बेसिकली टॅक्निकॅलिटीज EIA SCAC हे सगळें आयकलें. प्रोजेक्ट कसलो म्हाका कळटा ते भशेन शेलवणच्या लोकांचो ऑब्जेक्शन आहा कित्याक कोळसो तांच्या गांवांत येता म्हणून. स्पीकर सर आमी खूबदां उलयताले की कोळसो हो मुर्मुगांव काबार केलें, मुर्मुगांव तालुका काबार जालो कोळशा खातीर, आतां तो कुडचड्यार येता. म्हाकाय प्रश्न पडलो तेन्ना हो निलेश काब्राल इतलें डेव्हलपमेंट अंडरग्रावंड केबलिंग अंडरग्रावंड सिवरेज हें हाडपी कोळसो कितें हाडटा काय म्हणून तो प्रश्न म्हाकाय पडिल्लो स्पीकर सर. आनी आतां हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक विचारूंक सोदतां तुमकां हो खबर आहा कोळशाचो प्रोजेक्ट आनी कोळशाचो प्रोजेक्ट तुमी एलाव करपाक तयार आहा? क्लियर सांगचें कोंकणी.
Because we have sought clarification because nowhere have they mentioned what are the products they propose to handle.
No, it is supposed to
Could
be
be
coal.
coal, could be anything.
बोवाळ ताजे खातीर जाता.
No, so we have sought clarification. And that is why I'm saying, give us a little time. As soon as we get clarity,
Before giving the ESI, we can ask for what the product they'll bring on the.
that is what we have asked.
Before giving the ESI permission,
कोळसो जर गांवांनी येवपाक लागलो
आमी-
पळय, ना ना एक ओगीच पळय आमी कोळशाच्या अगेन्स्ट उलयतना आमी कितें म्हणटाले की सगळे भारत माला ते केला कोळशा खातीर. तुमी म्हणटाले ना इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ हें कितें तें कन्विनियन्स ऑफ पीपल. आतां हांगा कितें जालां हांगा एक मटेरियल स्टोरींग परमिशन दिलां, जेटीज दिल्या, सगळें दिलां. कितें येतलें कितें हांगा तें जर कळनासतना तुमी प्रोजेक्ट एप्रूव करता ना एक मिनीट हें कळनासतना कसो प्रोजेक्ट एप्रूव करूं जाता? कशें एप्रूव करतात तुमी?
Speaker sir, एकच मिनिट. Speaker sir, GCZMA अप्रुवल दिला. ESI ताका परमिशन दिवंक ना. ESI परमिशन दिता आसतना ताका डिटेलान जे क्वेश्चन्स विचारल्या आमी कोळशा खातीर परमिशन दिना हांव स्पश्ट क्लियर करता. त्यांनी बाकीचे क्लॅरिफिकेशन जे मागला क्लॅरिफिकेशन मागल्या उपरांत ESI चे परमिशन मेळटलें. ताच्या शिवाय ताका permission मेळचें ना.
रेल्वे ओव्हरब्रिज जाला ताजे
त्यांनी जे
खातीर
केला आयन ओरा खातीर कित्याक न्ही? त्यांनी जे केला पळय न्ही ते आयन ओरा खातीर कित्याक न्हू? तूं कोळशा खातीरूच कित्याक म्हणटा?
ना आयोनोर जाल्यार आयोनोर सांग तूं म्हाका हांव बसतां आयोनोर जाल्यार आयोनोर सांग पूण थंयच्या लोकांचें भंय आहा. आयक एक सांगता एक मिनीट. आनीक आमदारान कितें म्हणलें की लोकांचें ऑब्जेक्शन आहा ते लोक हांवूय थंय गेल्लो लोकांचो भंय आहा की हो कोळसो म्हणून तुमकां जर दिसता तो कोळसो ना हांव बसतां म्हाका काय
आमी कोळशा खातीर परमिशन दिना.
बरें स्पीकर सर आमी
स्पीकर सर ऑनरेबल
ना, ना, जालें न्हू इंचानू.
बाबा माझा प्रश्न मरे तू
हय, मागीर तूं खबर जाता.
तू विचार रे मागीर. स्पीकर सर ऑनरेबल सीएमान एश्युरन्स दिला हांव फक्त त्या रिपोर्ट जो आसा हो जो कमिटी जी धाडलेली GCDMA त्या तारखेर तितू भितर हे प्रश्न जे आसा तेणे परमिशन जेन्ना मागला डिस्क्रिप्शन प्लॅटफॉर्म कुवे जेटी स्ट्रेंथनिंग ऑफ बंच एंड गर्बियन वॉल इन्स्पेक्शन जेन्ना जालां इन्स्पेक्शन जे दिल्ले आसा ते ऑन 27/3/24 भितर इन्स्पेक्शन केला स्पीकर सर. तितू भितर स्पीकर सर मॅनग्रोव इफ एनी ऑन साइट शुड नॉट बी डिस्टर्ब इन एनी वे. म्हणजे हे इन्स्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट जेन्ना वयता हे इंजिनियर वयता कोण तेजस नायक कोण गौरव तुळेकर म्हणटा पळय हो GCDMA म्हणजे तेजे रिपोर्टा भितर मॅनग्रोव्ज एट साइट इफ एनी. तू बरें न्ही स्पीकर सर ती मॅनग्रोव्ज ना म्हण कसले इन्स्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट करता स्पीकर सर ते मॅनग्रोव्ज आमकां दिसता स्पीकर सर. ह्या असले भुरगे हांगा कामार वता स्पीकर सर इफ एनी म्हणटा तुका इन्स्पेक्शन कित्याक करता स्पीकर सर? इन्स्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट सायन केलो मिनिस्टर दिल्लो आसा हांगा.
Okay, can I answer? As far as GCZMA is concerned, let me assure you that if tomorrow it is found that details given are wrong, details are not forthcoming, SESC will reject their applications. Consequent to that, GCZMA will also withdraw their approval.
अरे मजे मत आसा तूंय रावपा सोदता कितें विड्रॉ केलें म्हूण सांगलें जालें खबर.
पंचायती केल्ल्या ऑब्जेक्शनाचेर हांव येता.
अरे विड्रॉ
तूं कोड आना म्हणटा तूं म्हणटा थिंग ओवर येतलो सो तुका 5000 फॉरेस्ट ट्रीज थिंगा डिस्ट्रॉय जाताय म्हणून पंचायतीन बरयलां. थिंग बरयलां की दिस वील एंडेंजर दी वायल्ड लायफ बायोडायवर्सिटी जी आहा पिकॉक फेदर्स मेळ्ळाय थिंगा पोकुपायनागे स्क्विल्स मेळ्ळाय थिंगा ट्रेसीस ऑफ रॅबिट मेळ्ळाय हे सगळे बायोडायवर्सिटी हिंगा डिस्ट्रॉय जातले हे कोडशा लागून तू म्हणटा प्रॉब्लेम ना पूण ओरा लागून ही बायोडायवर्सिटी डिस्ट्रॉय जाल्या हे सरकाराक परवडटा Are you okay with it? Because this is what is being claimed.
Because,
are you agreeing to this claim? Is your government agreeing to this claim, or are you not agreeing to this claim?
Because I have said and I am repeating, SCAC has sought details of the project. Should these details, as per the Panchayat, be correct, rest assured we will not give the permissions if they don't reply to our satisfaction. This is an assurance I am giving this August House.
Yes.
Very specific. I would ask the honorable.
Speaker,
How specifically in Zada? Speaker sir, या शेलगोणाचे लोक they had also come to us when we had gone to Kurchorin. आणि त्या वेळार
वांगडात केलं की जर तुम्ही
संविधान बचाव अनडिक्लेअर्ड इमर्जन्सी
वांगडात केले
आता आय वुड कम व्हेरी स्पेसिफिकली टू दी ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर की लोकांमध्ये भय आलो कोलाचो आता ऑन द सेम प्रिव्हियस जेटी कन्स्ट्रक्शन बाय द सेम प्रोपोनंट वन इन कुर्चोरेम एंड कमामोड अंडर द गाइज ऑफ रेनोवेटिंग ओल्ड जेटीज under the guise of the same proponent has happened. I think you need to look into that level as well. Secondly, mangroves were cut within this project site without obtaining any clearances from the forest department. What action will you take on the violators? Anik, what I see is in this project proposal, it involves non-contiguous and scattered survey numbers in all your survey numbers. They are very scattered across Salvana. Anik, is this being done to obscure larger unified project? And whether EIA is considered, has considered this cumulative impact across all these parcels. If you see, they are all scattered. So these are important issues. I think you should look into this.
I am again assuring this August House and you in particular that the role of the Coastal Authority is basically to see whether ports or jetties fall within the ambit of the rules or the act governing them. That is 100% within granting of the NOC is 100% within their powers. Because I am repeating, all they have to see is whether that activity falls within their rules, which it does. It is the role of SCAC to look into issues that you are raising. And I assure you, SCAC has sought clarifications because, as the Honourable Member has said, the EIA report has certain flaws. Similarly, the Panchayat complaint has also certain flaws. So they have sought clarification from the proponent, which they had given 30 days to answer. He has not replied. We are going to give him another 15 days from the time of the next meeting, which should be either this week or next week.
No, that's okay. I'm just asking. Mangroves
one
have
second,
been
one
cut
second,
in
one second,
that
one
area
second.
and scattered numbers.
One
Vijay
second.
Mache ain't good.
At that time, we will look into all these aspects, and if anything is found to be right, we will take action.
Because sir, I'm happy that the Honourable Minister has assured, but I would like to place a report on the table of the House which the Honourable Chairman of Assurance Committee has placed the other day, where Alex Regional is there, where he has said that replies were received from 22 departments, 11 departments have failed to provide the replies on action taken despite ministers of this government may have the intention, but departments may not have the intention. So Honourable Minister should also see that it is done.